Welcome to another video walk around. Today we're going to be looking at the new Toyota Tundra 4x4 Crewmax SR5. Now this is a 5-passenger pickup truck in silver sky, and under the hood you'll find a 5.7 liter V8 driving on 18-inch wheels. Some of the great exterior features on this Tundra includes front recovery hooks, fog lights, and a backup camera. Helping us inside is our key fob here. It has our lock and unlock button. I'm going to press that unlock button once for the driver's side and take a look in the front first here. And right up top you have your power windows and locks with some storage that runs along the bottom of the door here. Some of the features you have next to the door includes your adjustable mirrors. You also have this button for that rear window or that rear windshield that you can automatically put down. Now inside, this Tundra comes equipped with black fabric seating. We have our key here. We're going to start this Tundra up. And as always, we're going to look at the steering wheel features first. On the left side, you have your audio controls. You have your voice recognition system, as well as your hands-free calling. On the right side, you have this cluster, which allows you to cycle through your multi-information display. Down below that, you have your 2 safety sense buttons with dynamic radar cruise control and lane departure alert. And your cruise control speed settings are right behind the wheel there. Moving on to our screen here, right now we are on the home screen. On the left side, it'll display any device that's connected and your trip information, which you can also press and view. If we go back to the home screen, on the right side, it'll also display any audio that's playing. And if you press this audio button on the left side, you can see you have your standard AM and FM options, as well as a choice between USB and a Bluetooth device. If we go into reverse, there is that backup camera as well with the guidelines. Down below that, you have your drivetrain selector, as well as your climate control settings. You got these nice, sturdy, smooth turning dials. Taking a quick look inside the back here, we have some storage along the bottom of the door, just like the driver's side. We are continuing with the black fabric seating. Behind the front passenger seat, you get an extra storage compartment. You can also fold the bottom half of these seats up. Just pull on this little handle. The seats go up, giving you the flat storage space in the back here. Taking a last look at a Toyota Tundra, once again, some of those great interior features include your driver and passenger heated seats, Bluetooth capabilities, and a backup camera. There's still a lot more I didn't get a chance to show you, so why don't you come on down and take it for a test drive. We're located here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on the corner of 137th Ave and St.Albert Trail. Thank you for watching this video walk around, and as always, drive safe.